Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I wanted to talk to you about some sentence structures that you can use to talk about pets. So this is actually from our book Taku Mōkai, My Pet, and the sentence structure on the page looks like this. He ngeru taku mōkai ko Spike tana ingoa. So that means my pet, taku mōkai, is a cat. His name is Spike. Okay, so that's the sentence structure through this book with lots of pets, and it's also one of the sentence structures in our picture dictionary near the beginning, where we've got lots of different pet names there and the sentence structure there as well. So here it is here. So if your pet is a fish, he ika taku mōkai ko, let's say it's Goldie, ko Goldie tana ingoa. So I just wanted to suggest to you that you could actually be using more Māori language, because it's Mahuru Māori in September. The whole month of September is all about Māori language, and we've got Māori Language Week between the 9th and 16th, but we can use lots of Māori language through September and all year round actually. So let's talk about a sentence that we could use at home and at school. And maybe even at work. You could talk to your work colleagues. Maybe we could all talk about what our pets are. What would another pet be? Let's say you've got a pet dog, Kuri. He Kuri, taku mōkai, ko, and let's say its name is George, ko George tana ingoa. He Kuri, taku mōkai, ko George tana ingoa. So this doesn't change whether it's a female or a male pet, and all of this stays the same because this is my pet, and the only thing that changes is what kind of a pet it is. And you can, if you have the picture dictionary from us or from the library, you can see lots of different words for different pets here. I'll just go over them now. Rāpeti for rabbit, poni poni for pony. Oh, and I put this one here in case you don't have a pet and a child might want to feel that they've got a pet, and they could have an imaginary pet such as a dinosaur. So the word for dinosaur is mokonui. Kini kini for guinea pig. Honu if you've got a pet turtle. Poaka if you're lucky enough to have a lovely pet pig. Kiore if you've got a rat or a mouse for a pet. Kuri for the dog. It's not really showing very well. Nane koti if you've got a pet goat. Kawhe if you've got a calf for a pet, which some people will be doing that now when leading up to Calf Club in October. Ika for fish, we've done that one. Manu if you have a pet bird. Reme for a pet lamb. Raki raki for a pet duck. And ngeru for a pet cat. And you can just look online for most of those words. And then this is where the name goes. So I think doing that at home, talking about your pet and their name, and also if you're teaching at school, doing an activity about that with children and getting them to use those Māori words and sentences about their pets would be a really good idea to start you off for Mahuru Māori, the month of September being Māori September basically. Okay, ka kite.